2009 Region 12 Science Olympiad Tournament. This is our 25th anniversary Science Olympiad held here in Grand Valley. 25 years.
Congratulations, and let's get started with the day.
When plants or animals become extinct, they no longer exist. As time goes by and conditions change, more names go on the list. For many reasons this can occur, it's never quite the same. Many plants, many animals have played the extinction game.
Environmental changes can cause things to lose. No longer able to adapt, the extinction fate they choose. Severe changes in weather, flooding or times of drought. Predators and pesticides can count a species out.
Once an animal is endangered, the next step means it's gone. Sometimes it can be nature's fault, other times mankind's gone wrong. When humans take over a territory, they can do it with little respect.
No respect.
Plant and animal habitats are lost due to neglect.
When plants or animals become extinct, they no longer exist. As time goes by and conditions change, more names go on the list. For many reasons it can occur, you know it's never quite the same. Many plants and animals have played the extinction game.
Most of the species that lived on Earth, they no longer exist.
The proof is in the fossil remains of plants and animals that called it quits. An ecosystem is made of both living and non-living things. Beginning with the sun's energy, they are interacting.
The physical environment, like soil, water and weather, react with all the living components. They all work together.
Just like all the ecosystems that are found around you. A park, a beach, your own backyard, a log, a river or zoo. So take a walk, look around on a warm sunny day. And see how these things work together in their own special ways.
An ecosystem is made of both living and non-living things. Beginning with the sun's energy, they are interacting.
Two elements in nature are found, forming the substances that we find all around.
An element is made of atoms, but only one kind. When different elements join a compound, you'll find.
Elements form compounds that have different properties, not the same as when they were alone and roaming free.
Sodium and chlorine are elements on their own. They make the compound table salt you can find at home.
Both iron and oxygen combine to form rust, a familiar compound that corrodes metallic stuff.
92 elements in nature are found,
forming many substances that we find all around. When different elements join, once upon a science class, hey, I looked around and I said, you know, I think that half the class is sleeping, the other half looks dead.
oh, what's the answer, I ask myself, give me the solution please, I've got to find a remedy, before it's time to leave, oh, before it's time to leave. Hands on, minds on is the key. It can work for you like it works for me. It's a surefire way to get things done. Hands on, minds on can be fun. Hands on, minds on is the key. It can work for you like it works for me. Oh, don't you wanna tell me everything you know about a real cool way to have some fun? Learning with activities, learning with activities. Once upon a science class, hey, things didn't go too swell. You know, I turned and looked at the sad faces, and then I said, oh well, but I can change this if I want to, and all I have to do is try. And the very next day a miracle happened right before my eyes. Oh, right before my eyes. Hands on, minds on is the key. It can work for you like it works for me. It's a surefire way to get things done. Hands on, minds on can be fun. Hands on, minds on is the key. It can work for you like it works for me. You wanna tell me everything you know about a real cool way to have some fun? Learning with activities, learning with activities. Molecules in motion, floating through